subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Red Magic 5G and Red Magic 5G Lite, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Nubia Red Magic 5S with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Nubia Red Magic 5S features a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Red Magic 5S supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the top bezel. For gaming, the company has added two IC shoulder buttons on the right edge, and it also comes with upgraded cooling system called ICE 4.0 with up to 15,000 RPM fan speed that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The smartphone also has dedicated ICE dock points to connect additional gaming accessories. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Nubia UI skin on top, and it comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery with 55 watts air-cooled fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.56 by 78 by 9.75mm and it weighs around 220 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nubia Red Magic 5S has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,399 Chinese yuan, and the top-end variant with 16GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan. All these three smartphone variants will go on sale in the country starting from August 1st in ice wind, silver and neon color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.